So in this question, they've asked us to get a year from the user and check if it is a leap year or not. So the condition is that if it is divisible by 100 and 400, it is considered to be a leap year. And if it is not divisible by 100 and not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year. So let's see how to do this. First, we have to get the year from the user, which is input enter a year. Then we have to use this condition to check that conditions, which is if year is divisible by 100 and the remainder equal to 0, and year is divisible by 400 and remainder equal to 0, you can say it as leap year. Else, if year is divisible by 4 and remainder equal to 0, also we can say it's a leap year. So print a leap year. Else print not a leap year. Let's see how this works. So let me enter the year 2016. So it is a leap year, and let's take 2022, which is not a leap year.